Satish Kumar.
Music in itself is healing. It's an explosive expression of humanity. It's something we are all touched by. No matter what caste region we come from, everyone loves music. Good afternoon, fellow Toastmasters and guests. I'm a big fan of music, not merely by playing it, instead listening and enjoying it. Today, we'll get to know the reasons how I started from dance, drama, and singing, and ended up in a search of a reason to do this. During my school days, I got selected for the dance competition for the school annual day function. I was preparing for the dance competition with a huge enthusiasm. Great thanks to my genes, because, not the genes, I was the tallest person in my class of grade 6. So they took me to the last row in the dance program. So I was imagining a lot of things like floor lights and decorative lights fall on me when I'm on stage. And I'm going to rock the stage. People are going to remember my dance for quite some time. Finally, the day of rehearsals came in. So I went to the classroom where we are all asked to stand in a queue and prepare for the movement. During 90s, there was very famous dance sequence which used to come in many of the movie songs, with keeping one hand on the top of the head, other one on the hip, like this, and move around. I started practicing this first step on the first day of the practice. I just kept as if I lost everything. She started trying to make me change my hand position, as well as trying to teach me at least to stand in a posture which she could able to cover up because I'm taller in the classroom. Finally, she come to a conclusion: height alone is not a qualification for selecting everyone or anyone to the dance program. In order to avoid my disappointment, she asked me to go and meet the Hindi teacher to have a chance in the drama. I took it easy and moved to the Hindi teacher where there is a selection room happening. Since I was going with a recommendation letter from the dance teacher, I was easily and immediately given a chance. Everyone started talking about their topics and their roles and swings and preparations. I was also having a lot of anxiety and enthusiasm, saying, leave it, dance does not fit in. This also comes as part of the school annual day function. Why not go and rock in the Hindi drama? This also add your value as a person. I was asked to prepare with a nice set of dress with a full pant trousers and full sleeve shirts as well as tie, and I was getting ready, and my dialogue and the role was not revealed even until few days before the drama. I was very, very furious and thinking why it is so secretive, why I am not given this dialogues and details about the role. I presume, okay, they are going to give me something big which is going to make me popular in my class. Finally, a few days before the exact drama, the final practice session was started. So I went and asked, where is my dialogue and what's my role? As like Sergeant at Arms passes a check to the president, I was handed over a sheet of paper. It says, I'm a graduate, looking for a job. Can you please help me? I was given a role as an unemployed youth. Go and ask someone for help to a job. It's about few milliseconds role in a drama which lasted for 30 minutes. Second chance of trying into drama as well did not took well for me. I took it easy and moved to continue with the next attempt. I was very fond of music, as I mentioned earlier, so I wanted to try this time my singing ability in the singing competition. This was on the second year of my college, where I was enrolled myself for a singing competition. Those days in 95, 97, the biggest challenges for having a Walkman with a headset for a college student. Nowadays it's about, you will be amusing if no one has in the schools as well. So somehow the best way for me to prepare for a singing competition was to listen to the music somewhere or collect the books, which is very, very predominantly available those days, and practice those lines. So I started preparing with those books, which was very easily available close to my home as well as the college. And I was getting ready for the D-Day to sing and exhibit my talent in singing. I prepared the song from my favorite movie of Marubadiyum, and I was asked about the seventh person to come and sing. I started, bang! I could not even complete even 3-4 words. The jurist stopped my singing. There is no question of continuing the song as well. Even singing did not allow me to explore my abilities. Finally, after all this dancing, drama and singing, I sat down and thought about it. What is making me to get into these all new aspects and trying it? Finally, I realized I am looking for an opportunity to express myself and thought in front of people. After a few years, college, job started up, and I finally found a forum called Toastmasters, where I see people come and express their thoughts and their abilities. That's the best platform for everyone to express and portray their skills. That's when I found, yes, this is the place, the live platform, where you can express your thoughts and you can portray your skills. That's where this quote, remember me, that expressing is in itself as a music. It's an explosive expression of humanity. We all are touched by that. No matter whoever or wherever we are coming from, expressing is loved by everyone. Over to you.